Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and drone enthusiasts alike. In the blue corner, we have drone, and in the red corner, we have the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the specifications and features of each drone and find out which one comes out on top in this epic battle of the drones. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a high-quality camera is essential. Drone comes equipped with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted, allowing you to capture breathtaking photos and videos from different angles. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone takes it up a notch with its ultra-clear 4K camera, ensuring vivid and detailed footage that will truly elevate your aerial photography game. With its higher resolution, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone wins this round. Flight time is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a drone, especially if you plan to take it on longer flights or capture extended footage. Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time each. With the ability to swap and charge batteries in rotation, you can extend your flying fun time. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you a whopping 90 minutes of flight time in total. With its longer flight time, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone takes the lead in this category. Next up, let's talk about the features and ease of use of these drones. Drone offers features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, speed adjustment, and even voice control. These features make it a breeze for beginners or novices to fly and have fun with the drone. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone takes it a step further with multiple functions like automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow position. These features are specifically designed to make flying easier for novice pilots. In terms of features and ease of use, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone comes out on top. Safety and reliability are paramount when it comes to flying drones. Drone offers a helpful tip of calibrating the gyroscope every time it's turned on to ensure better control and stability. It also has a remote control range of 262 feet to 328 feet. On the other hand, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone boasts a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it safer, more reliable, and offering extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. It also has a maximum remote control distance of 1,000 meters. With its advanced safety features and longer remote control range, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone wins this round. Portability is another essential factor to consider, especially if you plan to take your drone on your travel adventures. Drone is a compact and lightweight option that is perfect for beginners and kids. It's easy to carry around and won't take up much space in your backpack. However, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone takes portability to the next level with its intuitive and advanced foldable design. It even comes with a carrying case, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. With its foldable design and dedicated carrying case, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone wins this category. The TENSSENX foldable GPS drone emerges as the winner in this battle. It offers an incredible 4K camera, longer flight time, advanced features, enhanced safety, and excellent portability. However, if you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, drone is a solid choice. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the drone and the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone in various categories. While both drones have their unique features and advantages, the TENSSENX foldable GPS drone emerges as the winner in this battle. It offers an incredible 4K camera, longer flight time, advanced features, enhanced safety, and excellent portability. However, if you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, drone is a solid choice. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below to find the best deals on these drones. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more exciting comparisons on our channel. Buy Smart.